Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mani here, and today we are going to be watching videos of my strange addiction, which got popular on YouTube, so I thought I would do it too. So let's pick this one.
I'm addicted to my car. It was love at first sight. Let me pay me. I find this part of him the most sexy. You're in an intimate relationship with your car. Yes.
This one?
I sometimes get sad, Daniel, because it's not normal.
Baby. I'm addicted to snorting baby powder. I do it until I can't take it anymore.
Wait, you put it in your nose?
This is not normal. If she aspirates enough baby powder, she can die instantly. I like warm pee. It's comforting. The first time I drank my urine, I didn't throw up. And it wasn't horrible. So I thought, you know what? I can do this. My urine does smell, depending on what I eat. Today, than it did 4 years ago. Sometimes it's salty. Sometimes tastes like plum champagne. Maybe a little lemony. You can taste different things going through your body. There's certain things I don't like to eat anymore.
That is disgusting.
Recycled. I love asparagus. I won't eat it anymore. Makes the urine taste really bad.
Urine is your body's waste. It's what your body has decided to filter and get rid of. So it doesn't seem healthy to me to put that back into your body.
Actually brought you over here to tell you something. What would you think about someone who ate tape?
You said what?
Somebody who like chewed tape, you know.
Flame, right?
I've been eating tape since I was about 13.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't know how to take it because I just didn't believe it at first. It's not normal that humans eat tape. It's not a good look. So what is it about tape that you like exactly?
It relaxes me. I chew it up, spit it out. Sometimes I swallow it.
Is it like messing up with your health or anything?
It's not bad. Well, I don't know if it's like bad for you.
I'm pretty sure it's not good for you. The tape might be something we need to subtract.
You have to understand, it's hard for me. You can't just stop. I'm sorry.
Andrea, don't cry. Come on. I just want everything to be okay. But I don't want to say I lost my friend because she was addicted to eating tape.
Next one.
My name is Dave Cat. I'm 37 years of age. And I can't live without my real doll.
Really? Wow.
Originally, when I first got her, I called her my synthetic girlfriend. But it's actually progressed to the point where it's like, she's my wife. She's not awake right now because, basically she kept hitting the snooze button, so it's just like, just let her sleep. It's not even worth getting her out of bed at this point. The whole interaction on a day-to-day basis, along the lines of like getting her dressed, brushing her hair, things of that nature, it brings us closer together as a couple. I'd actually worn this necklace a lot, and I decided she should have it. It's kind of like, when you give your sweetheart a class ring, that sort of thing.
Really?
Photo shoots are something fun that we do. When I first was even thinking about getting a real doll, I was just like, okay, well, the sex is going to be fantastic. But there's also the whole concept of like taking photographs. My mother and I used to go down to downtown Detroit every weekend. While she was in various stores trying on clothes, I would actually be looking at them and kind of stem from there. Back in 1999, actually, my best friend, Monty, had actually tipped me off to a site that sold these lifelike mannequins that were made out of silicone, so they were nice and soft. I was like, oh my god, I've got to have one of these.
Next one.
My name is Riley. I'm 25 years old. I live outside of Buffalo, New York, and I'm addicted to being an adult baby.
Wow.
I dress as a baby as often as I can. Whenever I come home, I always slip into one of my cute little outfits, and it helps me wash away all the stress of the big, tough world.
Riley has turned her bedroom into a nursery. She sleeps in her crib every night.
I love pajamas, especially footy pajamas. Things with ruffles and pink. I love having my hair in pigtails and sucking on my pacifier.
Oh my gosh.
I started wearing diapers when I was about 13, and then that kind of gradually turned into fascination about pacifiers and onesies and baby or diaper accessories. When I was younger, I felt shame. I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to have a normal life doing this.
Riley's friend James is one of the few people who knows of her strange behavior.
I first found out about Riley's addiction maybe about 3 or so years after
Sounds
we
like
became
a robot
friends. I was a little
talking.
surprised. You don't run into too many adults that like to dress like babies.
I know it's something that is very unique to me, and I definitely don't tell people unless I think they're going to be okay with this. It's my little secret.
Riley is also transgender. She was born a male, but always felt awkward and out of place. 5 years ago, Riley began living as a female.
Wow. So that's why she has no chest. Because she's a boy. Wow. She acts like a girl.
My name is Josh.
Oh, I see this one.
27. I live in Worcester, Ohio, and I'm addicted to eating glass.
Like, how can you eat that? Like, pauses. How can you eat that without it, like, hurting your throat and, like, does it feel weird in your belly or something? Like, how?
When I bite into the glass, I just get like a warm feeling, kind of get a little bit tingly.
Everybody says warm feeling. It's
Normally
so
when
good.
I look for glass to eat, I look for champagne glasses, wine glasses, light bulbs.
So we have about, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have about 16 minutes of this video. We'll watch a couple more, and then I'm going to be ending
It's hard to
this
describe.
video.
It sounds awful in my head, the actual chewing. But I enjoy this a whole lot. There isn't a whole lot of taste, it's more of a bitter thing. It's like eating horrendously sharp rock candy until you grind it down.
When I first saw Josh eating glass, I thought it was fake. I didn't think it was real. And when I found out that it was, I was upset and scared.
I am a performer for a living. I do stand-up comedy, but glass eating is not my routine. I actually came across glass eating in a book that I was reading. It was kind of scary at first, and then once I realized that it didn't seem to be doing damage to me, it got a lot easier for me to do.
Wow.
I'm worried about you. I don't know what that's doing to the inside of you. Like, most people are worried about having bad cholesterol and you eat glass.
Yeah, but it's not like I feel anything. It doesn't hurt when I eat glass or anything.
No, most people don't know they're going to have a heart attack either, and they have those all the time.
I've cut my lips many times, the corner of my mouth. I've had pieces of glass in my gums, so there's very distinct possibility it could be cutting deep down inside my body.
So I don't know why you're eating it at all.
You know, I try not to do that.
You can try not to do it, or you can just not do it at all. Like, I don't understand why this is so hard.
Because, you know, once I get in front of people, that I just get compelled to do stuff. Glass at parties, bars, friend get-togethers. I love reactions I get from people. I very rarely will do it alone. I guess more than anything, I'm really addicted to the attention.
Really? We will be watching
My name's Teresa.
after this one.
I'm 44 years old.
Actually.
I live in Bedford, Virginia. Pretty day today. and I'm addicted to eating rocks.
Like, come on. That's why your teeth are so crooked.
I would be able to function every day if I did
Oh my god.
eat some quantity of rock.
Your teeth is so crooked.
Teresa has been addicted to eating rocks for more than 20 years.
I can't believe this.
She was initially attracted to the earthy smell.
I was just walking one day. I had no intention of biting into it or chewing it, but I did, and once I did that, I was hooked on them.
Now Teresa can't go more than a few hours without eating rocks.
Love it, and the earthy taste. I actually like how it feels on my teeth when I'm crunching them up.
I'm very worried about Teresa. When your body can't handle what you're putting inside of it, it's gonna rebel against you.
Teresa's favorite type of rock is a mixture of several minerals, including granite. She uses a hammer to break them up into bite-sized pieces.
This is about the size I like it because it's not as hard to swallow. I would normally take a piece like this and normally just put it in my mouth or bite on it, or just put the whole piece in my mouth and get the earthy taste off of it.
You are crazy, lady. But yeah, I really hoped you liked this video. I did, but some of the things are like really crazy and like stuff you wouldn't understand. I mean, not like that you would understand, like stuff that's like, why would you do that? But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, like bloop, and hit that smash that subscribe button. Share your comments, and if you need anything, just tell me. And yeah, guys,